gonna. Tomorrow, I have a lot of plans. I'm gonna wake up and eat breakfast. I think I'm gonna eat pancakes and eggs. After that, I'm gonna brush my teeth, get dressed, and go to work. I start my job at 9 a.m. every day and clock out at 5. When I get home, I'm gonna cook dinner. I might watch TV, read a book, or clean. Which one should I do? I don't know. I'm not gonna answer any emails from work. That can wait. I'm gonna help my son with his homework. Before bed, I'm gonna take a shower and get ready to go to sleep.